this is my Scarlet Witch cosplay from Marvel. And this is the so in the TV show she did this as she was a fortune teller. So yeah, so what you want to do is put in foundation, which I've done. Put your foundation, put your concealer on. Because you can never have enough concealer. Fill in your eyebrows, which I've done. I use this. And then last of all, you want to put on lippy. So this lippy is called Wicked. 50 Wicked. And it's by Superstay, by Maybelline. So for this, you just want the nice red lip. I wait for that to dry. Make sure it's not on your teeth. And there we go. So the wig costume, let's show you.